So you guys, it's Victor here, back for another video. So recently I've been wanting to make a video on like a talking segment sort of video on how to dress in whatever you want and how to be confident. It's kind of like both the same thing. Why I wanted to do this, because I feel like the reason why I wanted to do this video is because I feel like there's a lot of people that they're in like one point of their life, they look at their Instagram or like I don't know, any other app and like they see somebody like walking across the street with like a good outfit and they're like, man, I really want to wear that outfit, but I'm like too scared, like I don't think I could pull it off. But the thing is, you can pull it off and you can wear what that person is wearing, and probably even better if you could add your own twist to it. But one thing I want to make clear of is that this video is not on how you could become better than somebody else and why you're better than somebody else. It's mostly on how you could be a better version of yourself and like improving yourself, like evolving into another person that was better than before. And this also isn't going to be like a beginning point to an end point on the next day. It's going to be like a journey, but during that journey is like the best part. From that being said, I'm gonna start with the first point, which is changing your mentality is the main part. There's no like step-by-step thing, but the main thing is changing your ideology. So the ideology that I have is like having like a fuck it ideology. The reason I have this is because if you have that ideology, you're just like, there's nothing that can go wrong, and there's nothing that is stopping you if you just say fuck it. Like let's say you want to participate in a class, but like you're scared. If you're just like, yo, I don't know if I want to do this, like should I do this? And then you're just like fuck it, and then you do it and you participate. But let's say like you're like, fuck, I'm too shy. Worst case scenario is you're gonna get it wrong, and no one is ever gonna like try to like bring you down after that. They're just worst case is like they'll laugh and you get it wrong and that's it. But like the next day, let's say the teacher asked the same question, then you answered it and you learned from your previous mistake, and that's like a win-win. Like the only negative effect is just like temporary. The permanent effect is that you got it right and you changed. Like now you like that's been through your worst, and nothing could go worse from there. So that can apply to like fashion. Like look at me, bro. I'm wearing like these weird ass long ass sleeves shirt. It's from Stats Ballet, right? But nobody, and like look at these pants, right? Like ghost pants with like paint on it, and then this belt is not that much. But like yeah, like the paint, like what the fuck? Like my neighbor and my mom and like people would look at me like I'm freaking weird or like an alien or some shit. And look at my hair, bro. It's like purple now. So relating to like the school thing, I already wore these pants before. Like what's worse than wearing it the first day? And you already did it. I wear it in any outfit I want to. I'd be like, yo, I'm feeling these pants, I'm just wear it. And this too, I wore it already. I bought it. That's the worst thing. That was like the worst part. Like, should I buy this or should I not? And I did get it. Like now I have to wear it. And when you wear it, you're like, oh man, I was like scared. This is actually lit. Like this is fire. And then you like after that you just keep going and keep going. You buy even weirder pieces. You buy pieces that are like even louder than this, or that just becomes a habit where you just regularly dress in whatever you want to wear, and like you don't care about what people think. Because like again, like the hard part was the part of you contemplating in the beginning, where you're like, damn, should I wear this, should I not? But now it's like an impulse. Like you already know exactly what you're gonna do. Like that's it. You're not thinking about it anymore. You're just like, fuck it, I got this. I'm about to be mad fly. I'm so lit right now. Like bro, I could be in a runway right now. Like that's how you feel. Like once you don't give a fuck, that's it. And let's say the worst case scenario on like dressing in whatever you want, people are gonna like say some like mean stuff to you. They're gonna be like, yo, what the fuck? Like you look like a fucking construction worker. Like what are you wearing? Is this from your grandpa like in the 1800s? In your head you're just like, damn, this guy, he's trying to violate me, but like he doesn't know, like he's not about it. Like you can't do nothing. You can't really force someone to change and like your stuff, like if they don't know about it. So it's best if you just leave it to that. If they don't know about it, then they don't know about it. Because if you actually think about it, let's say you walk down the street in like Soho or like Paris, wherever, Tokyo, and they see your outfits, they're like, oh, this is some Stats Valet. Damn, that's actually nice. I respect that guy. Like they respect you, and then they're just like, yeah, he's doing himself. Like, I like that. And then some other person, if people just don't like what they don't understand, it's that simple. Everybody's gonna hate. There's not gonna be a point where like you have to sit down with them and be like, yo, this is what I'm wearing, Stats Valet. What do you think? Like, nah, you just gotta keep going on. Like, fuck it. Like, they're not gonna be on you 24/7. It's like a temporary thing. The permanent thing is that you wore it and that's it. Like, you're fly. That's it. Like, there's nothing that you can do already. And then what's also gonna be permanent is if you continue wearing it, they're not gonna say anything anymore. They're just gonna be like, oh, alright. Then he's just a weird guy. And it's best to be the weird guy than the normal guy. Believe me, being normal is not good. Like, you could, I'm not saying like you have to wear these crazy clothes like bright colors and all that. No, you just like gotta wear whatever you want. If you wear whatever you want, then people are gonna be like, oh, he's doing him. He can't, like, you can't go, like, there's no right or wrong about doing yourself, you know. Instead of just wearing like, no offense, but like see some like chains and like that every e-boy has nowadays, or like some weird shit that everybody has, like the Fila disruptors. There's nothing wrong again with that, but like since it's so common, people take it the safe way. It's best to go the risky way and something that you've never done before, because now you know about that area, and now you want to keep testing on that area instead of just taking recycled shit and then like, you know, not giving, like, playing it safe. It's just not fun that way. Even in real life, it's not like that. Like, once, like, let's say a scientist finds like a new element, they want to test that element and continue on from there, instead of just being, oh, let's keep working on these elements and shit. Nah, they continue and look for new things. Which brings me to my last point. If you really want to like become your own person and like amplify it like crazy, like go to the extreme, I think you guys should do like DIY clothes. Like, let's say you want to make pants. Like, for me, I like expressing, like, there's some clothes where you just like, I like it, but like I still don't like it. There's something missing. But if you do DIY clothes, believe me, like, it feels like this part inside you where you're like, damn, I really did this. There's nothing that involves another person. This whole piece is me. Like, these pants is me. Like, all that ghost, that paint splatter, I actually like those things. Like, it's fire. Even if it's just clothes, you could add it to like making YouTube videos, or like making music. A lot of people are like scared at first, but like once you do that, you express yourself from the inside out in like whatever you really like in your hobbies. It's all about adding your take to it, but like the amount of adding your take to it is based on you guys. Like, it's all based on how much you want to give out or how much effort you put into it. Like, Dickies that were $20, I wanted to taper them, and I literally wasted $20 on tapering it and made it too skinny in the end. And like, that's annoying to the point where you like get so angry. But like, once you master it, once you get through the hard part, you'll just excel from there. Like, you're gonna want to keep progressing in a positive slope. For example, like, let's say you wanna, even if you don't do sewing, like, let's say you wanna just like draw with a freaking, like, a marker, like a Sharpie on your pants. Like, then the next week, I can assure you, you're gonna do painting next, and then the next month you're probably gonna have the urge to want to sew. You're like, I want to try something new. It's all the progress, and the hard step is always the first step. Believe me, I think you guys should do it. You guys are actually artists if you actually have a hobby. Like, you guys can do stuff that you never could have imagined if you just keep going and don't give a fuck. Like, just do it. Like, the only person that's stopping you is yourself. Believe me, like with clothes, there's points where I would be like, I don't want to do this no more, I'm tired, like, nah. But like, if you keep going, you're like, nah, I want this to come out good. I really want this pants. Like, I really want to do it for myself. Like, I feel complete. Then that urge, that like persistence is gonna make you keep going, and eventually you're never gonna be like, oh, I'm on top now, I'm good. No, you're gonna keep wanting to one up yourself, and you won't notice the progress. Like you just keep going and then you'll be like, oh, I did that, oh yeah, I forgot. That's that, guys. To wrap this up, I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these points helped you, and I hope you guys do actually like have learned something from this video. I hope this video made sense. I'll try to edit this to make sense if I didn't make sense. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, peep my hair though. I didn't know. At first it was like blonde and now it's like black slash. It's like blue, black, and purple. And that's all about the fucking mentality. Who like fuck like purple? Why would somebody do purple? I was just like, fuck it, I want to do it. I got tired of the blonde and I did it, you know? I didn't think about it too much. I just did it. And yeah. Oh, recently I also want to address I hit 60 subscribers. I know that's a little bit, but like thank you so much. It means a lot. Like 60 subscribers is like literally 3 classes of 20 people. And thank you so much. Like it means a lot. Like I know it's just a little bit, but like I never thought I'll get 50 subscribers. Like that's like above there. And I just want to thank you all. Like even if you didn't watch the whole video and you skipped, like thank you. Like it means a lot. Even like 1 minute in this whole video means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe from the coronavirus. Right now, you guys could be doing your hobbies right now. Like now is the perfect time for, like now that you're in quarantine, now's the perfect time to do it. You can't force art too. Like honestly, just if you're feeling it, do it. If you're passionate for it, do it. Trust me. Like it will be worth it and you will excel no matter what. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good day and peace.